Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your trading knowledge with Vanguard, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating your Vanguard account if you do not have one. Visit the Vanguard website and click on Open an account. Choose the type of account you wish to open, such as an individual or retirement account. Provide the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Complete the identity verification process as guided on the platform. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Educational Resources section of the Vanguard website. Explore the various courses, articles, and webinars available to broaden your understanding of trading. Take note of essential topics such as risk management, market analysis, and trading strategies. Consider enrolling in Vanguard's Investing 101 course for a foundational understanding. Engage with Vanguard's insights and latest market trends by reading their research reports. Join the community forums to connect with other traders and share knowledge. Utilize Vanguard's demo trading platform to practice your skills without any financial risk. Set personal trading goals to keep your learning focused and measurable. Regularly review your progress and adjust your trading strategies based on what you learn. Stay updated on market news and changes in trading regulations. Consider additional certifications or courses from reputable organizations to enhance your knowledge further. Bookmark valuable resources for easy access as you continue your learning journey. Commit to ongoing education, as the trading landscape can change rapidly. Finally, apply what you have learned in your actual trading activities, taking care to manage your risk effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.